shall describe how to use AGECityConnect to index keywords for URLs, also like advertisements. Now first we start off with how to load up the called the AGECityConnect. There are two ways. One way is by the browser. You have AGECityConnect browser. You load the main landing page here. So over here you can, let's say key 191, let's say google.com. So it's a browser. You get to go.com, or you can use our indexing. For example, you like BH for Berita Harian for newspaper. Click here, you load Berita Harian is self-indexing. So this is one way. It's a new page, new tab. You will load. The page Berita Harian. So this is one way of loading the page using the desktop. Okay. Another way of loading AGECityConnect will be through the shortcut. You can create a shortcut, for example, very easily. You can right click, new, shortcut, key in www.agecityconnect.com. Then you will browse. No browse, you just put next. They put a name there, AGECityConnect online browser. Okay, online browser, you finish it, you create it. Now you create AGECityConnect browser, which is Firefox, default Firefox. If you click here, you will load Firefox with the default hpaperless.com public web. Is the landing page of AGECityConnect.com, which you typed in just now. So this will be the main landing page. And if you want to create a very easy to to load back this page when you're on it, you can drag this thing, drag here, put it here. So from now on, you can click here, this page will come out. You can also create your own shortcut if you are in this page by dragging this to the desktop. You replace this, you will create this same desktop. Okay, now come back to we will now first load our demo page. Now this page is where we want to describe what our function will be, and we have a lot of these pages. These pages scanned from a newspaper. This is a website. Alright, website. This is a newspaper. Then you have other like classified ads, and from TV. Then you have emails coming in. So now let's describe the first one, how we brand or index the website. Now if you have to click here, come here. This way, then you think outputs, test outputs. We want to index this website, test outputs. So we copy paste here, go, put here, you type in test outputs, click in test outputs. So the site comes up. You notice that you do not need to have .com, .my, .this. You just test output. Remember, everybody remembers. It's easy to remember from TV, from newspaper. You cannot remember websites. So this is a test output. Now we can go back again. Now test outputs. Or test output means you want people to download your app. You can just tap in, click here. Alright. Go back here again. Paste. Test output mean to click here. Then it goes to the download sites of an app for your customer. So you don't have to tell people long names of your app. Where you can click here. You can see the sample, there are good travel, download your app to your Android, and so on. And from here you can see your app is here now with your name, right? With a customer name, you click here, it will go to the output site. So very simple. Now, what about products advertisement? So sample advertisement, there are many companies who advertise using long words where nobody remembers. The moment you leave your eyes off the advertisement, sorry, nobody can remember. Google Play, how to go there? What is the search word? Nothing here. So use our system. If this company has put Canon camera here in one of the ads, customer can remember this. Click here. You come to this place here, you find that you just paste here, just type it over here, and then you just click here. Straight away the customer can go to their website, the Google Play that the company desired. This is Google Play by Canon, right? And then you can see from here, right? Instead of Google Play, you get a Google Play. Now what about the other one? You know, the what called, let's say, no, come here again, Google Play, for example, Canon. Now this time I put Web 1. Now Web 1 goes to Facebook. The same code name, go Facebook, right? It's so much easier, right, than trying to do this. What about Twitter? Okay, let's do it again. Place a Facebook here, and the third one. Now straight away we have a Twitter page. Twitter for Samsung camera, Twitter camera. So you can see that it's very much easier to use a simple few keywords with the company's brand name to remember for the customers to key into website to reach everything. All this not necessary, just this one will replace all. Similarly, over here, the newspaper ad, these are very difficult to read. In fact, most of them, they're too small. It can't be read by even my mobile phone. So all you need is just one of them. You go to them all together. Then Samsung also same thing. You can just one will replace everything here. Now what are classified ads? Sometimes classified ads too long. What you can do is you can go back there. For example, you advertise a car and just put one simple code. Click here. You get the car itself. Sorry. Cars, not cars. Okay, it's car. Put here. There you get the car here itself. Alright? Then you can then what about second one? Click here. What do you get? The next car, another car out. This Audi example. Okay. Or you want to do again, the third one, you click here. So one simple low cost ad will allow you to have so much more value for your advertisement. So this is called the classified ads. Now about TV production. Let's say Milo, right? So okay, I type in Milo here. After you have advertised in TV of Milo, then you type Milo, right? Click here. You get Milo ads. So that means you can extend your advertisement from a TV or your whatever. You can even be in video you want to. So this is a Milo ad, right? So what about, let's say you go Milo. Milo video. Click here. Now after your TV ad for 15 seconds, you want the customer to know more of your product, you can have all the time in the world. You can remember Milo video. You cannot remember the website.
Morning, Tana. Morning. Milo cereal with whole grain and added fiber. Don't panic. Gives your kids nutritious and
so you can see here, even like emails, people send emails, a lot of emails. all you need to do is the email. After email, reading email, people nobody remembers, but you can remember inflatable animals. Inflatable animals. So we can just, what we do, we just click here, put inflatable animals, click here, and straight away you go to the deal itself. More detail, take your time. Or you want to have a second one, second page itself, click the web one. Then you go to module for today's deal instead of that one. So this is how it works. So very easy, even more effective, in value for your money, and it costs far less, only a few dollars. It can allow you to do this, and then your thousands of ringgit or dollars paid for advertising is well valued. Thank you very much. I hope you understand. You come back to us. Thank you.